Morning.
Right, I'm sorry. It's not under, I'm going on an ex-girlfriend.
It's only so the Pacific oysters,
Miss TikTok.
perfectly fine to eat all year round. But you need to watch out for a little bit of algae bloom in the water in the summertime.
Well, I think with the mussels, really, it's.
But they always used to say that.
I need to put more toast on.
TK squad.
Right, you taking 2 bits there?
Everybody's
Right, just leave.
running in the kitchen to get something to eat. Guys, it's our last day. So we have just spent the day relaxing, not doing anything.
That's it.
It's raining, but we were able to go into the jacuzzi earlier in the morning. Right now it's like 5 p.m. and it's been raining since 2 p.m. So
Yes,
sadly,
I'll look for you.
we're not able to go in the jacuzzi for last minute. Also, we're not able to barbecue anything on the fire pit at the moment. That's the jacuzzi there. We covered it up. Also the barbecue. We've not been able to, you know, cook our last meal on it. But that's okay. We're just here bonding, having fun. And don't blow air in my face. Rubbish. So we're just gonna have something to eat just now. And yeah, you guys, I think this is gonna be also our last day / going home video, because we don't leave until tomorrow morning. But I think day 3 I'll put it all together. TK squad, the weather is terrible, very cold. So we're gonna put our fireplace on and cuddle up. It's those cozy nights. Wait, babe, let me get you.
Hurry up, babes.
I can see you. I think that one you need to build it quickly.
Aye.
Guys, we're leaving. Guys, cry with me.
I know.
We're leaving. Graham, where are you?
I'm so sad.
I know.
This place was good.
Cry then. Guys, look at Tia's outfit. How cute.
I got this top. I don't know where I got it from.
New look.
And then I got these.
New look.
And then I have some very long Nike socks.
Nike socks and Converse.
Yeah.
My bushman.
Babe, you come this way.
I've got my bushman look on.
Bushman look.
Bushman look.
Bushman look.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
I
look
mean-
like you're ready to go to the jungle.
I'm in autumnal colours. I've got my socks rolled down. Yeah.
You're living the
I
life.
feel as if I want to start a fire, maybe.
Guys, me, nothing special. I'm going the same way I came.
Yes.
I just need to put my hoodie on. I'm going the same way I came.
Casual.
But you guys, this is so sad. We're leaving.
Oh, I know. I'm
But we'll be
sad.
back. But yeah, you guys, this is what I'm going to miss, TK squad. I'm gonna miss this view. Just looking at this running water, barbecuing, sitting at the fire pit, and obviously the jacuzzi. But it's raining. It was raining yesterday, late evening, all the way last night, all through last night, and obviously today morning as well. I think the weather for this entire week is just terrible. So I'm really happy that we came at the time that we came, because at least we got some days worth without rain, and the rest of the week it's gonna be rain until further notice. So yeah, you guys, the holiday was 10 out of 10. Tia's gonna have her breakfast. Tia, did you enjoy yourself? Yeah? Would you like to come back?
Yeah.
We are gonna
But for
come
like
back anyway.
4 days, not a whole week.
Yeah. Alright. Babe, did you have a fabulous time?
Oh, fabulous.
Yeah?
Really, really good. I mean, the place was excellent. We just relaxed, which is really what the key was. We didn't do too much other than relax.
Exactly.
Yeah. But,
Yeah.
no, I would definitely come back.
Alright. Alright, TK Squad, we shall catch you guys on the road. Let's finish up packing, say goodbye to the house, and we hit the road. Love you guys. TK Squad, that's us finally home. We're gonna make some breakfast. Yeah, you guys, we were meant to check out at 10.
We checked out at 10 to 9.
What time is it?
We checked out at 10 to 9, and by the
So
time we
11.
drove home, it was an hour's journey. So we're back home, and it is
10 past 11.
10 past 11.
I really miss the jacuzzi, guys.
Yeah, me too. I miss the jacuzzi and the running water, the river, pretty much. And obviously night times, getting to do the barbecues as well.
Yeah.
I miss that. But yeah, you guys, yeah, we're just gonna have breakfast.
Chill.
And then
Get ready for work.
and school. I don't go back until Wednesday.
You pointed
so
work at me and him for school.
I'll swap you.
all right, guys, we love you so much. Thank you for coming on, this holiday with us, and we'll catch you guys in another vlog. We love you.
Love you guys. Bye.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Peace.
Bye.